Igeria-ini ria guthinga ihoro ria ciringi bilioni 703 thiini wa bajeti ya thirikari ya mwaka wa kigina wa 2024-2025 thirikari ni irongoreirie kuguciriria Kenya aria maikaraga nja wa bururi na ngombo ya MBONDI igathikitwo na thogora wa dola. Ndeto ino erekereirio ni Minister wa Kigina Prof NDUNG'U hindi ya GIIKARO na kamiti ya mbunge igie mathiri gutariria thirikari iguthinga ihoro riri.
What we want is is for remittances, it's for the diaspora. It's very difficult to float a dollar out there in those markets because markets are also licensing a dollar bond in those countries is going to be difficult.
Ona kuri uguo NJUGUNA ni uma na ihinda IRITU gutariria mitaratara ria thirikari ikugathika gukomba mbeca guku bururi-ini na nja wa bururi amu ihoro riri ria kimbeca riahota kuongerereka nginyagia ciringi tiririoni 1 kuona ruhonge rwa kurogota magoti guku bururi-ini KRA rutihotete kurogota mbeca iria rogirirwo gukorwo rurogotete thiini wa mwaka uyu wa kigina.
Change these figures because we have a program with the IMF and we are actually moving. The whole idea is that either you target to increase the revenue to the level you wanted or reduce expenditure to the level we agreed. You see, so we keep moving but we have a target level that we want to move. At the end of the day, we are actually promising that we have to revise our tax, or we have to revise our the taxation policy. We have to deal with a new structure of taxation.
Okaide-ini okau Minister NDUNG'U ni ateteire ikinya ria thirikari ria gukomba muigana wa dola bilioni 1.5 cia kuriha ngombo ya Eurobond undu umwe na mathiri ma ciringi bilioni 760 iria thirikari iri nacio cia andu aria maheanite motungata kuri thirikari no matirihitwo mbeca ciao.
Waiting for even an extra day, an extra week was piling up so much pressure on the cost of living. The elephant in the room was becoming problematic and the market was also now coming down to argue.
Na kimureka ciegie bururi wa Kenya guturaniro na mabũrũri maria mahotithagia uthambia wa mbeca thiini wa thi NDUNG'U augite kuri na mawatho ma kuigana guku bururi-ini kugiriria thuguri iyo no matikoretwo magithingatwo kihinyo.
Some of the countries that are even providing us with bilateral support are also in the grey list. But we know what we need to do. It is the institutional DNA that is being questioned. How do we move with speed?
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Njoroge wa Kimani.